In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your spouse to your Wealthfront account. Linking accounts is a great way to get a comprehensive view of your household's financial landscape, and it's easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, it's essential to ensure you have all the requisite login information at hand. Once you've gathered everything you need, open up your browser and head over to the Wealthfront support page. There you'll find a particular section titled, "Can I add my partner's Wealthfront account to my plan to get a household view of our investments?" It's a handy resource if you're new to account linking or just need a little refresher. Once you're on the Wealthfront platform, the next step is to log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll notice an option that says Link an Account. This feature enables you to connect different financial accounts, including those of your spouse. Click on it, and you're one step closer to viewing your combined investments. Now that you're on the linking page, you'll want to search for Wealthfront using the search bar. This action directs the platform to look up the available Wealthfront accounts that can be linked to your current setup. At this point, it's crucial to have your partner's login details on hand. With their information, proceed to link their Wealthfront account just as you would with any other kind of financial account. It's a seamless process designed to integrate smoothly without complications. Once you've input the necessary information and confirmed the link, something remarkable happens. The account appears on both your dashboard and your partner's. This means both users now have access to a full, updated view, incorporating the newly linked account data into your plan's projections. It's a fantastic way to maintain transparency and ensure that you're both on the same page financially. There is an important note though. Linking your Wealthfront accounts allows both users to view all the account balances associated with your profiles. This visibility includes every account, not just those held jointly. Keep this aspect in mind when you decide to link accounts, especially if privacy is a concern for either party. That's all there is to it. You've successfully linked your spouse's Wealthfront account to yours, enabling a household view of your investments. This action not only streamlines financial planning, but also fosters collaborative discussions about your financial future. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for support. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.